Hey guys, today we'll be setting up this jungle gym. It's a 10-foot climbing dome that was given to us from the company called Hapfan on Amazon. So be sure to check the link out down below if you want to buy it, but I'm going to show you the setup process and then we're going to play with the dome. That's the most important part, to play with it, right? Yeah. So I'm going to cut this open and see what exactly we're going to find in here. I don't know what to expect. I feel like I may be opening up a project that I am going to regret, but we'll see. All right, so we just opened up the box. So far we're presented with this, which I think is like a little like trampoline thing that goes on it, a swing, ooh, and gloves. I wonder if the gloves are to used for like setting up. I don't know, let's see. First step, we got to get this decagon set up here, so 10 pieces all put together on the ground, and then we'll go to the next step, which I'm following the instruction booklet here. And so far the pictures are clear, which is nice. So take one pull part A and one pull part B and connect them with a bolt part F, nut, and washer. Okay, so next we have to do is put all these pieces together. It's like, we're gonna have to do it like 30 different times, but we're on step 2 on the workbook. So I'm gonna try to just do this and follow the rules and make sure it works. Okay, I got all 10 pieces laid down and I'll kind of move on to the next step. Step number 4. We're on step 4. Okay, so I've got like the skeleton of it put together, and that was a pain, a lot of work. Do not try to do that by yourself. You definitely need at least 1, possibly 2 more people to help. I had to get the kids to help a lot. So I still need to go finish it, tighten everything, and then there's like a trampoline and a swing as well. All right, so I've gotten the frame put together. It's nice and sturdy. But I did make one little mistake, which I'm going to show you guys really quick so that when you're building it, you don't do it yourself.
I like it.
So these, see these little screws here?
Yeah.
You have to put this handle over the screw before you put the nut to tighten it. So now I'm going to have to go back through because I forgot to put this piece on it. So now I'm going to have to go through and unscrew each one, put the handle on, because what this handle does is it protects the kiddos from getting poked. See how that covers it? That way they don't get poked by it. So it shouldn't take too long, but I think I'm going to do that tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'll set up either the swing or the trampoline and show you guys that as well. We're done setting it up. Let's take a look what it looks like. So we decided to put the hammock up, even though they think it's a trampoline. Okay, will one of you guys climb to the top and show me what it's like to climb to the top? Can you climb to the top, Cody?
I'm thinking I can.
Oh, and the instructions aren't very clear with this part. Make sure that these screws here are facing up and outside. I had put all of them down here. I had to go around and replace all of these, so save yourself time and don't do that like I did. Can you show everyone climb to the top? It holds up to 800 pounds, so you guys should all be good to climb it. If you want to pick this up, I will put a link down below. Check it out. It's a pretty cool little playpen. I think it's got a $40 off coupon as of today as well. It is February 4th, so make sure you use that $40 coupon.
Yeah, watch out. Watch out.
Carson, are you getting all the way up?
We're just lay straight. Dad, can I sleep in here?
No.
Why?
It's too cold. I don't want to.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Carter, show us how the swing works. Wow.
I need to do this.
Oh, standing up?
Yeah. I like. Do this.
Whoa.
Whoa.
You almost crashed.
Yeah. And then I walk on this with this.
Okay, do it again.
What? Okay, Justin, how
Here you go again.
Spider.